You've probably heard about castor oil being used for everything from hair growth to skincare. But did you know this ancient remedy can do much more? Well, imagine finding a simple, natural solution that can boost your health, improve your skin, and even relieve joint pain, all while you sleep. That's exactly what castor oil can do, and it's time to reveal 12 incredible benefits that doctors rarely mention. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video for some instructions on how to use castor oil effectively. Before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed." We'll do our best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's get into it. 1. Improves skin health. Let's start with one of the most well-known benefits of castor oil, its remarkable ability to improve skin health. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids like ricinoleic acid, which are known for their deep moisturizing properties. When applied to the skin before bed, castor oil penetrates deeply, hydrating and nourishing the skin from within. But it's not just about moisture. Castor oil also helps reduce inflammation, which can alleviate a variety of skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and even acne. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help soothe irritated skin, reducing redness and promoting a more even complexion. Over time, regular use of castor oil can improve skin elasticity, making your skin look younger and more vibrant. Plus, by strengthening the skin's natural barrier, castor oil helps protect against environmental damage, keeping your skin healthy and resilient. So, if you're looking to wake up with softer, more supple skin, adding castor oil to your nighttime routine is a must. 2. Boosts hair growth. Struggling with thinning hair or a receding hairline? Castor oil might be the natural remedy you've been searching for. One of the standout benefits of castor oil is its ability to promote hair growth. The secret lies in its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, which boosts blood circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow helps awaken dormant hair follicles, encouraging new hair growth. But that's not all. Castor oil is also packed with omega-9 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy hair. These fatty acids nourish the scalp, strengthen the hair roots, and help prevent breakage. Regular application of castor oil can result in thicker, stronger hair, giving you the luscious locks you've always wanted. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science even found that castor oil helps lock in moisture and prevent scalp dryness, making it an excellent solution for those struggling with dandruff or dry, itchy scalp. To incorporate castor oil into your hair care routine, simply massage a small amount into your scalp before bed. Cover your hair with a shower cap and let the oil work its magic overnight. With consistent use, you'll start to see noticeable improvements in hair growth and overall hair health. 3. Acts as a natural laxative. Constipation can be uncomfortable and frustrating, but castor oil offers a natural, gentle solution. Used for centuries as a natural laxative, castor oil works by stimulating the muscles of the intestines, promoting smooth bowel movements. The oil's fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, help to increase the movement of the intestines, making it easier for your body to eliminate waste. What makes castor oil an effective laxative is its ability to work quickly without the harsh side effects often associated with over-the-counter laxatives. When taken before bed, castor oil can help relieve constipation by the next morning, allowing you to wake up feeling lighter and more comfortable. However, it's important to use castor oil in moderation and consult a healthcare provider before using it as a laxative, especially if you have underlying health conditions. 4. Enhances sleep quality. If you're having trouble sleeping, castor oil might be able to help. The oil's natural calming properties can soothe the nervous system, helping you to relax and prepare for sleep. When applied to the skin or scalp before bed, castor oil helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down, promoting a deeper, more restful sleep. But how does it work? Castor oil contains compounds that help relax the muscles and ease tension, making it easier for you to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Additionally, by improving circulation and reducing inflammation, castor oil can help alleviate discomfort that might be keeping you awake, such as muscle aches or joint pain. Incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine can be a simple yet effective way to enhance the quality of your sleep, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. 5. Provides antibacterial effects. Did you know that castor oil has powerful antibacterial properties? This makes it an excellent natural remedy for treating and preventing infections. Castor oil's primary active ingredient, ricinoleic acid, has been shown to effectively combat bacteria and fungi, making it useful for a variety of skin conditions. For example, castor oil can be applied to minor cuts, scrapes, and burns to prevent infection and promote healing. It's also effective against common skin infections such as athlete's foot and ringworm. Additionally, because of its antibacterial properties, castor oil can help prevent acne breakouts by keeping harmful bacteria at bay. Applying castor oil to affected areas before bed allows the oil to work overnight, protecting your skin from harmful microorganisms while you sleep. 6. Strengthens immune function. Supporting your immune system is more important than ever, and castor oil can play a crucial role in boosting your body's natural defenses. Castor oil promotes the production of lymphocytes, which are white blood cells that help protect the body against infections and toxins. By enhancing lymphatic circulation, castor oil helps your body efficiently eliminate waste and toxins, which in turn supports overall immune function. Regular use of castor oil can help strengthen your immune system, making you less susceptible to common illnesses and infections. To support your immune health, try massaging castor oil into your skin or using castor oil packs before bed. This simple addition to your routine can help your body's internal defense mechanisms work more effectively, keeping you healthier in the long run. 7. Reduces acne. Acne can be stubborn and frustrating to deal with, but castor oil offers a natural alternative to harsh chemical treatments. The oil's unique combination of ricinoleic acid and other fatty acids provides powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects that can help reduce the severity of acne breakouts. Ricinoleic acid works by soothing inflamed skin and reducing redness, while castor oil's antibacterial properties help fight the bacteria that cause acne. Additionally, castor oil's moisturizing properties prevent the dryness that can exacerbate acne, making it a gentler option for those with sensitive skin. Applying castor oil to your skin before bed allows it to work overnight, reducing inflammation and promoting clearer skin by morning. 8. Speeds up wound healing. Wound healing is a complex process, but castor oil can help speed it up. When applied to cuts, scrapes, or other minor injuries, castor oil creates a moist environment that promotes faster healing. This is crucial because a moist environment prevents wounds from drying out and forming scabs prematurely, which can lead to scarring. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil also help reduce swelling and pain, making the healing process more comfortable. Additionally, castor oil's ability to penetrate deeply into the skin helps support tissue regeneration, promoting healing from the inside out. Whether you're dealing with a minor cut or a more serious wound, applying castor oil before bed can help your body heal more effectively and reduce the risk of infection. 9. Moisturizes dry lips. Dry, chapped lips can be a constant battle, especially during the colder months. Fortunately, castor oil is a natural remedy that provides deep, lasting hydration. The oil's rich fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, draw moisture into the skin and lock it in, keeping your lips soft and supple. Unlike many commercial lip balms that only provide temporary relief, castor oil penetrates deep into the skin, offering long-lasting moisture. The addition of vitamin E in castor oil further aids in repairing and protecting the delicate skin on your lips from environmental damage. Applying castor oil to your lips before bed is an easy way to wake up with smooth, hydrated lips ready to face the day. 10. Relieves joint pain. Joint pain can significantly impact your quality of life, but castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties offer a natural way to find relief. The oil's high concentration of ricinoleic acid helps reduce inflammation in the joints, easing pain and discomfort. By massaging castor oil into sore joints before bed, you allow the oil to penetrate deeply, where it can work to reduce inflammation and block pain receptors. This natural remedy provides a safe alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers, helping you wake up with less pain and greater mobility. Whether you're dealing with arthritis or occasional joint pain, incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine can make a noticeable difference in how you feel. 11. Stimulates lymphatic drainage. Your lymphatic system plays a vital role in detoxifying your body, and castor oil can help support this process. The oil stimulates lymphatic drainage by promoting the movement of lymphatic fluids, which are responsible for removing toxins and waste from the body. Applying castor oil to your skin before bed can enhance your body's natural detoxification process, helping to flush out toxins more efficiently. This not only improves your overall health, but also supports your immune system, making you less susceptible to illness. Regular use of castor oil can help keep your lymphatic system functioning optimally, promoting better health and well-being. 12. Prevents stretch marks. Stretch marks are a common concern, especially during periods of rapid growth, such as pregnancy. Castor oil's rich fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, help maintain the skin's elasticity and prevent the dryness that leads to stretch marks. By deeply penetrating the skin and nourishing it from the inside out, castor oil improves the skin's ability to stretch without damage. Applying castor oil to areas prone to stretch marks before bed allows the oil to work throughout the night, reducing the appearance of existing stretch marks and preventing new ones from forming. This makes castor oil an excellent addition to your skincare routine, especially if you're concerned about stretch marks. How to use castor oil effectively. Now that you know the incredible benefits of castor oil, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your routine effectively. Here are some simple ways to use castor oil, both internally and externally. For skin health. After showering, apply a small amount of castor oil to your skin to lock in moisture. For areas prone to dryness, like the elbows and knees, massage the oil in circular motions to help improve skin elasticity. For hair growth, mix castor oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil, to thin its consistency. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, massaging gently. Leave it on overnight and wash it out in the morning with a mild shampoo. As a natural laxative. For constipation, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of castor oil on an empty stomach. Start with a lower dose to see how your body reacts, and consult a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. For joint pain, warm a small amount of castor oil and massage it directly into sore joints and muscles before bed. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help relieve pain and swelling overnight. For lymphatic drainage, soak a cloth in castor oil and place it on your abdomen. Cover it with plastic wrap and apply a warm compress for about an hour before bed. This can help stimulate lymphatic drainage and support your body's detoxification process. For stretch marks, massage castor oil into areas prone to stretch marks, such as the abdomen, thighs, and hips. Doing this regularly can help prevent and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. That's all for today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more natural health tips and remedies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.